All right, I wish there was a smell-o-vision because this thing's been in and out of the washer for basically since Thursday or Wednesday. Thursday? Tomato. Anyway, I finally got it apart and it still stinks like nasty fuel. Oh, that's intriguing. Get this guy apart. Ugh. Still gross. But let's come along. I gotta get the rest of the diaphragms out and the valves. And then gotta get the pin out of this so I can disassemble that. Get this out and then it'll be all apart. All diaphragms are out for the valves. That was easier said than done. This can go back in the wash. I do need to get the pin out here. Then I can disassemble this the rest of the way, and then it can go back in the wash. But now you can see the cracking in the...
God, that is so bad.
I know. Ugh. All right, I gotta finish getting that out, and then... All right, got our main diaphragm out of the body. You can see that's seen better days. Oof. Oh my.